All right, see that? See that? See that light? Blind spot detection unavailable. Now my car is 4 years old. I bought it May 5th, 2011. And every year for the last 4 years, around May or June, I've had to take this car back to the dealership to have the blind spot detection repaired over and over and over and over again. Now, my car only has 33,642 miles on it, but it's 4 years old, so the basic 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty is over with. However, because they fixed this last year, I have two years on this with unlimited miles. So I'll be taking it to the dealership again, which is tomorrow, June 1st, 2015, to get this repaired again. And I just got the car back for the alternator. The alternator on here, it said battery save mode, and everything started shutting down. All the electronics started shutting down, power steering, everything shut down, but the engine kept running, so I get the car to a safe location. Turns out it was an alternator, which was a $680 job because my car's out of warranty. $680 job. However, now that I have a new alternator, I got 2 years, unlimited miles on it. I'm still trying to figure out how does an alternator go at 32,000 miles. Still trying to figure that out. This is the second Dodge Charger I've owned. I had a 2006 Dodge Charger that I bought brand new in May of 2005 when they first came out. Never had a problem with that one. But with this newer one, the 2011, it's got so much electronic stuff on it that everything consistently fails on it. So be wary about putting all this electronic shit in your car.